In today's video, I am going to teach you how to accept PayPal Squarespace 7.0. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have PayPal connected to your Squarespace checkout, so customers can pay using PayPal. The goal here is simple: connect your PayPal account to your Squarespace site through the payment settings, and then confirm the connection when Squarespace asks you to authorize it. To begin, log into your Squarespace account. After you sign in, you will be taken to your Squarespace dashboard. From there, you need to find the section related to scheduling and payments. In your dashboard, click Scheduling and then select Payments. This is the area where Squarespace manages which payment methods your site can use. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct menu, because the connection process depends on starting in the right place. Once you are on the Payments page, look for an option to connect a payment provider. You will want to select Connect PayPal. Click that option to start the PayPal setup flow. At this point, Squarespace will open a pop-up window where you complete the PayPal connection. If the pop-up does not appear automatically, check your browser settings for pop-ups and make sure they are allowed for Squarespace. Now in the pop-up window, you will be asked to enter your PayPal business account information. Enter your PayPal business account email address in the pop-up window and then click Next. It is important that you use the email associated with your PayPal business account, since that is how PayPal links the funds and checkout permissions. After you click Next, the secure authorization process will start. Next, you will be prompted by a secure redirection window to log into PayPal. When you see the PayPal login page or the secure prompt, enter your PayPal credentials to sign in to your business account. Complete the login step exactly as instructed on the screen. This is part of PayPal's security, and it ensures that only the account owner authorizes the connection. After you are signed in, you will need to authorize the connection. Look for the button that says Agree and Connect, and then click it. This authorization step allows Squarespace to manage checkout actions using your PayPal payment method. It does not create extra accounts, and it does not require you to make complex changes inside PayPal. You are simply granting permission for Squarespace to use PayPal during checkout. Once you click Agree and Connect, your browser will automatically redirect you back to your Squarespace dashboard. This automated redirect can take a few seconds, depending on your connection speed. While you are waiting, make sure you do not close the tab or refresh the page. The redirect matters because it confirms that the PayPal connection was successfully established. Finally, when the automated browser redirect completes, return to your Squarespace dashboard and look to confirm that PayPal is connected in the payment settings. You should see the update reflected in your site's payment configuration. If everything went smoothly, your checkout will be set up to accept PayPal payments. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.